To say hello, how are you? The expression in French is bonjour, comment allez-vous? And the response, ça va bien, merci, simply means I am fine, thank you. Try saying that. Ça va bien, merci. Good. Bonjour can be used to mean both good morning and also good afternoon. For example, you may say to a friend, bonjour, comment ça va? And he will respond, ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci. Bonjour, comment ça va? The expression in English means how is it going? In French, good evening is bonsoir. Say that with me, bonsoir. For example, you may say bonsoir, professeur, which means good evening, teacher. In French, you can use the expression salut as an informal way of greeting someone. For example, you can say salut Tunde or salut for me to greet your friend. Okay, class, let us cover the forms of address. Monsieur is French for Mr., Monsieur. Mademoiselle is French for Miss, Mademoiselle. Good. And Madame is Madame in French. To welcome someone in French, you say bon arrivé. To say goodbye, the expression is au revoir, au revoir. The expression for good night in French is bonne nuit, bonne nuit. That'll be all for today. Thank you, class.